I think it's really good to have many security companies that provide really high quality solutions, especially for the financial market and organizations like private banks.
It was amazing because you have participants from all the sectors. All this make us in a position where we can create a framework for all the participants to know how to deal with digital assets and create the future.
The progress we made since the first meeting instills me with confidence that we're able to build something big like the NIST cybersecurity framework.
Just come, join us and make things better.